Kohlberg's model. In an organization that values ethical conduct and moral development, let's consider a scenario. At a tech company, employees are engaged in a project that requires collaboration and decision making. As they work together, their moral development unfolds through various stages. Stage 1: Obedience and Punishment. Sarah peers criticism, prioritizing avoiding reprimand over contributing. Stage 2: Self interest. John considers personal gain in decision making. Stage 3: Interpersonal accord. Maria avoids addressing unethical behavior for team harmony. Stage 4: Authority and order. David emphasizing following rules and authority. Stage 5: Social contract. Lisa advocates for fair processes and individual rights. Stage 6: Universal principle. Mark, the CEO, upholds justice and integrity in all decisions. The scenario illustrates how individuals progress through Kohlberg's stages, showcasing a continuum of cognitive moral development within the organization.
Created using Powtoon.